I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that say stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick up. Feel I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna knock me down, but somehow I just stay up. Look, straight from the mud like Ruby. Straight to the stage, they love me. I understand they hungry, but please don't hate, that's ugly. I've been sliding, shaking, moving, I've been popping in my city. Shawty say she love the way we do it with me. I be too turned up to ever give a fuck. I ain't come to argue, let a nigga fuck. They been talking pennies, I need bigger bucks. About to catch a flight, I need to switch it up. Got that black boy joy, might do my dance on him. Take no disrespect, might put my hands on him. Hit this chicken, now she wanna marry me. But she gon' need some closure and some therapy. Came back to the city with my bank account on F. Giving rappers hell, I know they happy that I left. Hit the south in winter, I just put down my deposit. 82 degrees, I left that jacket in my closet. Feel I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that say stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick up. Feel I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna knock me down, but somehow I just stay up.
Alright everybody, so we finally got our parts back. Thanks, shout out to Brian over at Option Rush Garage. You can follow him on Instagram. He got all the plates welded up for us. So now we're going to cut out the sleeves to put in our new bushings, and then we will sand it down and paint it. Saw blade in 2 foot. Probably should wear some thicker shoes, or just make sure my feet aren't in the way. I'll be back. I'm gonna go rinse this out with peroxide and put a band-aid on it. Alrighty, now we got all the cuts out, which I cut a little deep on this one, and that one but I think it should be okay. They're not too deep. It's just the top, so I think it should be fine. Now we're going to clean these out. So I know this isn't going to work because it's the old or the newer stuff. It's not the older stuff that has it methanol chloride in it. But until I can get a wire brush that's actually good instead of the little one I have, like a much coarser one, we're going to try this. There's nothing else I'm going to use this on, so why not? It'll even come off. May not come off. The only reason I think this would work is because it's kind of rusted and some of it's just old paint coming off anyway, so that'll be the only reason why I think it might work, is that it's already kind of crappy paint. So it's working a little bit. You just gotta agitate it and starts to crinkle and come off. More work than needs to be done, but oh well. Alrighty, so I've already started painting the subframe, the burnt orange color that I bought, and I showed y'all earlier. So far, this is what I got. Letting that dry a little bit, and then I'll hit it with another coat. I'm just doing small, light coats, so I don't get any runs, and constantly shaking the can so I can get even metallic color everywhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and put y'all on this tripod and start painting again. So I think that color is going to look great. And I'm going to try to see if I can find something in that close to that color for the brake calipers whenever I get my 300ZX twin turbo brake calipers. Or I may do a yellow or a lime green. I'm thinking lime green to go with the blue in the engine bay and the black on the exterior of the car. And that you're really not going to see anyway, so the green's not going to, I guess, look terrible since you're not going to see that.
Bill, I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up.